how to fix Twitch subscription anniversary not triggering alert. So to trigger or share a subscription anniversary alert on mobile, the first thing what you can do is tap the chat prompt or notification banner that appears immediately upon renewing your subscription or entering the stream. You can also select share on the resubscription pop-up to broadcast your total tenure, month and custom manage to the community. Or you can just open the Twitch app on your device, then log into your account. Now go to your profile at the bottom right corner of your screen, then tap the gear icon in the top left to open your account settings, then tap notifications and disable smart notifications and recustomize your preferred mobile push alerts. Or you can just check your phone system settings to ensure push notifications and background data refresh are fully enabled for Twitch. Or you can just go back to your settings, scroll down to bottom, then tap log out and then tap log out one more time to confirm, and then go to the existing Twitch app on your device, then tap and hold on it. Now tap remove app. Now tap delete app to confirm it. Once deleted, go to your app store, find the Twitch app and then reinstall it from there to clear persistent notification bugs. So that's it for this video guys. I hope this video is helpful. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in my next video.